Well, welcome. Maybe you've just received your login and you're thinking, okay, well, how do I get started to send my first SMS campaign? And so when you log in, you'll be greeted with this screen. Down the left-hand side is our menu bar, which we'll go through in a second. On the right, you've got running campaigns. And so you've got your last 5 running campaigns, and then they will show you how those particular campaigns, how people have interacted with them. So accepted, declined, didn't complete. Every campaign will have different subheadings there of how people have interacted with you, which will go in a different video. But you want to create a campaign today. So what you want to do is go down to the left-hand side, hit on the create new hyperlink here, and then you'll be greeted with a bunch of subheadings. Now, let's say it's tax appeal time, and you want to send out an appeal for fundraising. You would simply click on tax appeals. It would give you a bunch of campaigns that we've preloaded for you, different templates that you can use. And so maybe today you're just looking, you want to do an online donation. So you create online donation, and then you'll see over on the right-hand side here how the campaign actually looks. And so every campaign that we've created has logic applied to it. So today, if I zoom in here, you'll see that this is Zoe from Water for Life. We're trying to build 500 new wells in Somalia. Can you help? So basically you're asking, can someone help? Now what you want to do is up the top here is create a name for your campaign. I'm going to use the original test one. And then transition email, basically that means is if someone responds with something outside the logic of what you're asked, that will be sent to an email address. You simply just hit reply on that email and it will be sent as an SMS back to that contact. So you would hit create draft. I've already testing. You create draft, and then basically here you come to your edit screen. Now, all you would need to do here is hit the edit button, go through, change the wording to whatever you'd like to say. Obviously, I'm just keyboard mashing here, but go all the way through. What would you like to say? Hit the update button up the top here. That's been successful. And then you're ready to test. Now, to send a test contact, you go over to the right-hand side of your screen over here, and you'll see add contacts. Now, simply just hit on add contacts. It will be sent to this screen, and you just hit add contact, enter your name. Last name is optional. We don't have campaigns that use the last name. You want to enter your mobile number. Tracked web link if you have one. Contact ID. Everyone needs to be unique. And then simply just hit add. You're ready to hit send. So basically, once you've got your test cam contacts uploaded, you'll see over the right-hand side of the screen here, you can hit send to this batch. Now, basically, we just want to hit send. Now, if you wanted to upload contacts from a CSV file, there's a actual template for you in this campaign, and then a bunch of our integrations as well. Now, you'll just simply hit send, and that would be sent. Now, what I would suggest is when you're testing your first campaign is try and break it. Respond with whatever you can to see how the platform responds, and whether what sits outside the logic. So like I said, every template that we've created has logic applied to it. You want someone to respond yes or no. You want them to click a link. You want them to provide an email address or an updated physical address, whatever it might be. There's logic applied, but sometimes people respond outside that. Our platform doesn't like to be sworn at. It doesn't. Sometimes it really struggles with slang. So in Australia, yeah, nah is quite common. Is it positive? Is it negative? Who knows? And so try and respond the best way you can to see how the platform will respond to that. Once you're ready, basically you upload your real contacts, hit send, and away you go.